In the north part of Kyoto, you'll find one of Japan's most famous attractions and the most photographed. It is a World UNESCO Heritage Site known as Kinkakuji, or the Golden Pavilion. It got its name because its top 2 floors are famously covered in gold leaf. As we enter the gates, two. In 1397, it was built as a retirement villa for a very famous shogun, Ashikaga Yoshimitsu. After his death in 1408, by his request, it was converted into a Zen Buddhist temple by his son, and now houses relics of Buddha, mainly his ashes. Awesome. Crowded. The water, the islands, and all the different gardens and fish were all designed to stimulate meditation. Zen Buddhism, introduced by China, was widely accepted among the shoguns and the samurai class. At the peak of its glory, it was used as a guest house for the emperor and other nobility. In 1950, a 22-year-old Arson monk nearly burnt the temple to the ground. Later, it was found he had schizophrenia. The temple was rebuilt to original spec in 1955. As you leave the gardens, you come to Fudo Hall, which houses the statue of Fudo Myo, a very important Buddhist guardian deity that the Japanese absolutely revere. There's Bami. Hope you guys had fun checking out another World UNESCO Heritage Site, Kinkakuji. See you guys in the next one. Wait.